Well, down here in Commercial Street, just getting onto a job right now. Just picked up from door knocking, quite essentially.
While I'm legging it over there, I might as well tell you who I'm doing this for. This is Sunset Home and Lifestyle. As you can see, they carry unique home decor and textiles, as well as make artisan pieces from reclaimed timbers. They also work with local shops and craftsmen to create truly unique works of art. It's a pretty awesome shop, so if you're in the area, drop by and give them a visit. Now, back to my job.